Yeah, and this dream. Born with the ocean, kiss the shoreline sand. Raised by the village, by the chief's strong hand. Fa Samoa ilo toto. Samoa in my bloodline deep. Respect to my elders, promises we keep. From Apia streets to the rugby field grind. Dreams in our heart, future on our mind. We carry the past, but we chasing the new. Island roots strong in everything we do. Mama fight my ate awia fa alo. Stay humble, stay hungry. Plant that seed from church on Sunday to school on Monday. We hustle for a better life one day. Oh, we the youth of Samoa, stand tall and proud. Oh, for now Samoa, Atunu'u shouting loud. From the village life, the city glow. 685, let the whole world know. Hands in the air, let the culture show. Strong like the tide, never move slow. Samoa youth, watch us grow. Not just palm trees and the sunshine breeze. We fighting for dreams across the seas. Atunu'u, aiga. Serve your village, serve your family. Still rep the flag every time we stand. Warrior spirit in our DNA. Respect and love is the Samoan way. We dance a siva, we spit that flow. Old school values with a new school glow. From the fire to the stadium lights, we rise up strong, we claim our rights. Education first, keep faith in sight. Ole lumanai o for now, malama le ala. Future youth, see the path. We the youth of Samoa, stand tall and proud. Oh, for now, Samoa, Atunu'u shouting loud. From the village, light to the city glow. 685, let the whole world know. Hands in the air, let the culture show. Even when the road gets rough and steep, remember the promises that we keep. Ancestors watching from the sky above, guide us with wisdom, strength and love. We the youth, Samoa, bold and free. Island blood runs deep in me. Ololoto ma Samoa, Elia isefa ayuga. My heart in Samoa never ends. No matter where in the world we roam, Samoa forever, our heart, our home. Hey, we the youth of Samoa, stand tall and proud. Oh, for now Samoa, Atunu'u shouting loud. From the village lights, the city glow. 685, let the whole world know. Hands in the air, let the culture show. We the youth of Samoa, bold and free. Island blood runs deep in me. Ololoto ma Samoa, Elia isefa ayuga. My heart is Samoa never ends. In this tree, no matter where in the world we roam, Samoa forever, our heart, our home.